Hey everyone, it's Shane and I go by the Rising Grind Picker on YouTube, and I'm a full-time reseller, and I started this whole thing out as a side hustle, and it grew into just so much more than just a side hustle. I'm sitting outside of Walmart right now. I'm going to show throughout this video a lot of different perspectives of my business, and I'm going to share my reselling master plan for 2021 for Amazon and as well as eBay. Being a full-time reseller is extremely hard, and I do not recommend it unless you are already making more money than your actual job that you're working currently. So part of my reselling master plan is to get back into Amazon, but to not do FBA, to only do merchant fulfilled. So that would just be like extra money kind of coming in, like a secondary income, another stream of income. And merchant fulfilled, because FBA is really changing and is getting very, very hairy to do. So let me kind of explain to you how I look for merchant fulfilled products. And if I'm doing merchant fulfilled on Amazon, I am going to be finding less products instead of actually more products. So I have to make them very profitable. So as you can see, this is $3 per jar. So keep that in mind, it's $3 for each of these jars. So one jar sells for about $17.48, and it's about $25,000 in beauty. But I can sell 2 jars for $30, save on shipping, and both jars will actually go cubic shipping on Amazon, and it is $45,000 in beauty. So with this being said, this is actually an excellent product to sell in a 2-pack. So the reason I'm actually just sticking with merchant fulfilled is because Amazon has tightened down a lot of policies, and merchant fulfilled seems to actually not be on the radar as much as FBA, which totally, well, makes sense. And also retail arbitrage is big time on the radar with Amazon, and they're trying to kind of get rid of it. But the thing is, with Amazon, when you're merchant fulfilling, you can also check and make sure that you're not getting pricing errors, which is a very common theme, and that will help you actually determine if you want to sell the product on Amazon. But the main reason I'm doing merchant fulfilled is because basically I was selling $50,000 to $60,000 on Amazon a month, and now I'm selling 0. So I'm shifting towards eBay, and later in the video I'm going to show you some eBay business stuff about my master plan for 2021 in reselling. But first I'm showing you the Amazon portion, and this is going to take a few minutes. And if you're wondering what merchant fulfilled is, it's where you list it on Amazon and you ship it yourself to the Amazon customer. I just scanned the front of that package because the UPC did not actually scan, and it's not profitable. It costs $29.99. It's selling for $29.99. I don't know if this sells, but we're about ready to look it up. So it is $79.95 to buy. Amazon's in on that, so you can see it will not be a good buy. We're gonna look at the Lego aisle just really quick, and then we are going to probably siphon and go right back home. Not siphon, what was I thinking? We're gonna go back home and I'm gonna show you my eBay master plan for 2021. But first we're gonna look at these Legos really fast. And I'm just kind of looking for something that stands out, or maybe looking for something that maybe all of them are sold, like this one, but there's one left. And I'm scanning on the Amazon app. So this is a kind of a weird one. $39.99, and it's in a $9.99 spot. But what I'm going to do is pull up the Walmart app, because I'm in Walmart, and I'm going to go ahead and scan that item. It's going to go ahead and automatically say which store I'm in, and I'm going to scan it, and it comes up 40 bucks. So that is not a good product. As you can see, merchant fulfilled products on Amazon, they are quite a bit harder to find than FBA, because you also have to compete with the merchant fulfilled and you don't get that FBA boost. But if you find really good products and they're really profitable, you could even do 50 to 60% margins on Amazon doing merchant fulfilled. Oh, and I want to kind of show you this little part. Here's a calculator on FBA, and if it's on Amazon fulfilled, you just hit seller fulfilled up top. So how you get to it is you just click the top button on the product, and then it goes to the seller fulfilled, and the cost of the purchase is going to be $3 and let's say 10 cents for basically the purchase, and then it's going to be about $9 in shipping, and I'm going to make $15. Actually, no, I lied. $6.10, because it's a 2-pack. We're gonna make about $12 per every 2 that we sell. So I'm back in the van, and I'm gonna go ahead before I start heading home and show you my eBay master plan, which I think you're gonna really like. So you would definitely want to stay tuned, because I think reselling, you need to have multiple streams of income. So I'm going to go ahead and list these up. I have 5 units of 2, and I'm going to click on the 2-pack. Let me show you this. I'm going to go ahead and click on the 2-pack. I don't know if you can see that, and it's kind of like my screen is kind of like having these crazy things on it. I'm going to go ahead and hit list right here. And I am going to pick that I am going to ship it. So I'm going to show you that here in a minute. Hold on. This looks definitely weird. All right, hold on. So standard price, 30.19. Quantity is 5. The item is new, and I will ship this item myself. And I'm going to make sure that's right. 5, and save and finish. So then I just sit back and wait, and the product will go live in my inventory in probably about 2 or 3 minutes. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to do that. And I had 5 units of 2, so it was a 2-pack, so I just hit 5. And that's how you do it. And then you just match it with the lowest price that is actually merchant fulfilled, and then boom, you're in business. So the second part of my plan is to hit eBay extremely hard and to list probably 30 to 50 items a day. I'll probably try to shoot for 50 a day, and Obviously, the first part of the plan is to casually do Amazon instead of kind of put all my eggs in one basket for Amazon, for selling on Amazon, you should say. And how I'm going to obtain inventory for eBay is store closeouts. I bought a couple stores, and this is just about 2% of what I got. And I'm going to be working on listing this probably starting today. I listed some already and I've sold a lot, but I'm going to be doing a lot of store closeouts, obviously still thrifting and doing thrifting still, and then doing some closeouts and liquidation for eBay. And I have this huge stack of jeans. They do have control tags on them, but I also have a tag gun to take those off. So I'm going to be working on this pile. The goal is to move all this pile out, hopefully this week, and get it listed. And then I'm going to be selling this rack, and I'm going to get it out of here. This is also part of the liquidation buy. I'm going to get this rack out of here and sell it on Facebook Marketplace locally. And then I'm going to put, this is all listed inventory right here. So all these totes are listed inventory. And I'm going to put 2 more rows of totes down the middle of here, so I cannot no longer make a death pile in this room. And then I have a whole storage unit from this same buy I have to get listed, as well as a bunch of other stuff. I did buy out like a family video, so I have a lot of that stuff to list as well. And that pile back there is all listed inventory. So 2 more rows of totes, and I have currently over 2,000 items, a little over 2,000 items listed on eBay. And it's going to be time to really hit it hard. Obviously, the thing is it's really hard to just source at thrift stores because you can't find a huge amount of items at thrift stores like Goodwill and stuff like that. You typically find a few items. Some of them are home run items. So that's why I will continue to thrift and go to thrift stores. But I need more items if I'm going to really level eBay up. So the goal is liquidation, store buyouts, and a bunch of other stuff. So there's going to be probably some pretty awesome content coming, this year. And it's going to get very crazy fairly fast. So I appreciate you watching this video, and it's time to put our reselling plan in action for 2021 for Amazon and eBay, and to see where exactly we will end up by the 4th quarter. So I'm going to show all of that stuff and see how the plan works. And we are going to document that and share this with you. Plus, we'll do some other videos as well. But this is going to be really kind of a make or break kind of thing. I know it's going to work because the more you list on eBay, the better. The Amazon side, I'm going to have to kind of schedule my time out for sourcing because I can't source every day. So we'll see how that works, but I appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.